Welcome back, children. It's Mrs. Vijayalakshmi back to you for your class. Today, we will learn personality development through value education. Let's go to the first lesson. The nation becomes you. Meaning of nation is where a group of people stay together with the same culture and also they live together. The meaning of Bitcoin is needs. That means the nation is in need of you. Today's children are the citizens of tomorrow. Let us see how you will grow into a good citizen and what is the need of you in the nation, in the society. Yes, let us go to the first paragraph. A country requires a government and a constitution to function. It requires all its citizens to abide by the rules of the constitution for its smooth functioning. It is the duty of every citizen of India to serve the nation. Service implies voluntary participation in the work for the welfare of the citizens. It inculcates the spirit of patriotism among the people. So, serve the country sincerely. You could be a scientist and serve the nation. In this era of cutthroat competitions and advanced technologies, a scientist helps the nation to assert its position in the world community. India does not lack intelligence. Indians are the best in many fields in the world. The government is providing immense opportunities for the talented persons in our country. So, you must build up your mind to serve the country. Healthy citizens are the wealth of the nation. You could be a physician or nurse and serve the nation. Physicians and nurses have the responsibility to provide the best health care for the people. You could enroll yourself in the armed forces or paramilitary forces and serve the nation. The Indians' armed forces and paramilitary forces present the shining example of unity in diversity. The soldiers serve without fear or favor, without any prejudice based on ethnic religions, linguistic, religional, or caste difference. Everyone is an Indian first and Indian last. In times of calamities like floods, hurricanes, landslides, avalanches, forest fires, etc., the Jawans are pressed into service. They work selflessly. They serve the nation with utmost sincerity. You could be a sports person or athlete and serve the nation. Sports and games, which are considered necessary to build up strong bodies and healthy minds, are being pursued as an integral part of school curriculum. They develop sportsman spirit and power of endurance. They cultivate values of honesty, respect, patience, tolerance, and sense of fellowship. You could be a farmer, a businessman, or an IT professional to serve the nation. Mining, farming, and engineering work require tough manual labor. Farming feeds the masses of the country. Mining brings fuels like coal for industries. Gold and diamond mining brings wealth to the nation. Oil exploration brings in petroleum products. Job opportunities in the field of information and technology are soaring high as information keeps one conscious and enlightened to fulfill the demand at the present times. Avenues are many and opportunities are plenty. Your motherland beckons you to serve the nation. Your motherland needs you. You are having a strength. You please build up your spirit to serve the nation. Thank you. There is a small story given on page number 5 and 6. Please go through that story and read it properly.